Have you ever felt like you're giving your best, but no one notices? Like you're invisible, even when you're doing everything you can to help. That's exactly how Benny the rabbit felt. No matter how many berries he picked, how many nests he built, or how many chores he did, it seemed like no one in his family cared. They never said thank you. They only pointed out what Benny could have done better. Feeling lost and upset, Benny decided to talk to someone who always seemed to know the answers. The wise old Oliver the owl. One bright morning, Benny hopped to Oliver's oak tree, hoping for some comfort. He asked, "Oliver, I try so hard to help my family, but they never seem to see it. They always notice what I do wrong. What should I do? I just want to make them proud." Oliver looked at Benny with a knowing smile. "Ah, Benny," he said, "sometimes the world doesn't see things the way we want them to, but maybe I can show you something that will help." The owl flew to a branch and gently picked up a shining golden feather from the forest floor. "This feather," he began, "was given to me by the wind itself. Do you think it's beautiful?" Benny's eyes widened. "It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen." Oliver nodded thoughtfully. "Yes, it is. But when I showed it to my friends, the squirrel, the fox, and the raccoon, they didn't see it the way I did. The squirrel said it was too bright. The fox said it didn't belong here, and the raccoon thought it was too shiny and out of place." Benny blinked, confused. "But it is beautiful. Why can't they see it?" Oliver's eyes glistened as he explained, "You see, Benny, sometimes the most wonderful things aren't recognized by everyone. Just like this feather, no matter how hard you try, people might not always see your goodness the way you see it. But that doesn't mean it's not real or that it's not important." Benny's ears twitched as he thought, "So I can't always make others see my good heart?" "Exactly," Oliver said, his voice soft but strong. "But what matters most is that you see it. True peace comes from knowing you've done your best, even if others don't always notice. The most powerful thing you can do is believe in yourself and keep being kind, no matter what anyone else thinks." Benny's heart warmed as he listened. "So I don't have to worry about what others think? I just need to keep doing my best and be proud of who I am?" Oliver smiled kindly. "Yes, Benny, you are enough just as you are. And when you believe that, true peace will fill your heart." With those wise words, Benny felt a shift inside. For the first time, he didn't feel so sad or frustrated. He thanked Oliver and skipped back home, a little wiser, a little stronger. From that day on, Benny didn't stop helping his family, but he also stopped worrying about whether they noticed or not.
He found peace in knowing he was doing his best. He stopped trying to prove his worth to others and learned that real beauty comes from simply being himself.
And just like the golden feather, Benny learned that true value doesn't need to be seen by everyone. It just needs to be felt.
Do you think Benny found peace? What do you think happens when we stop worrying about what others think and start accepting ourselves?
If you loved Benny's journey, like and subscribe for more heartwarming stories from the forest. And remember, true peace comes from within, just like Benny learned.